Welcome back. It has been a busy week on the homestead. The weather is supposed to be finally warming up, but we had a storm come in last night. Lots of rain, lots of wind, and it's a little cooler today. The flock has grown literally and numerically, and I have learned a lot of lessons. So today I'm sharing 5 things I seriously wish I knew before we got chickens. Whether you've just got started or you're thinking about jumping in, this is hopefully going to save you the headaches that I have dealt with. So we bought a straight run from Tractor Supply. Straight run sounds harmless, right? But it's like flipping a coin. Heads, hens, tails, rooster. We ended up with, well, way more tails than we planned for. This sweet girl right here is one of the new hens we just picked up about a week or 2 ago. We added more to balance it out. Buff Brahmas, cinnamon queens, Easter eggers. Hopefully more eggs and less morning screaming. If you want consistent egg layers, go with sexed pullets. Straight runs are fine if you want more roosters, but we definitely were not. Okay, this one's a biggie. Our original coop looked fine when we got it at the auction, but once the chicks feathered out and started flapping, we realized real fast, we need more space. We moved the coop off the deck, added a second coop for shelter, and extended the run. It's still temporary, but it gives them at least a little bit more space to dust bathe, hide, and spread out. If they're too cramped, they'll get aggressive, pecking, bullying, especially when you've got too many roosters. Give them space from the start if you can. So our solution is going to be, we're building our chicken tractor, and I've got the blueprints all drawn up, ready to go. The plan is to do more of an A-frame chicken tractor, and so my father, he's going to be coming to town this upcoming week, and he's kind of the handyman in the family, so he's going to help me with that. I didn't realize how clever predators are till we saw a raccoon trying to get in here. Our dog the other day tore the hardware cloth off the coop, and that left room for a raccoon. Luckily, everybody is A-okay. We're gonna fix this coop up. We got it from an auction. We added locks and hardware cloth, and we made sure that the base, there were no gaps from the ground. Chicken wire is great for keeping chickens in, not keeping predators out. So use hardware cloth. Trust me, it is worth the extra cost. What I do personally is I have my hardware cloth and I have a staple gun. And so you can just literally staple the hardware cloth wherever you need it to be on your coop. Chickens don't need much, but they do need consistency. Every morning, I check feed, water, look for signs of illness or injury. We've had frozen waterers, escapees, and one chick that kept getting picked on. If we'd skipped a day or 2, it could have been bad. Once it's part of your routine, it's easy. Just don't assume that they're set and forget it. They're animals, not machines. Adding chickens changed everything about how we work the land. We're thinking more about fencing, compost, shade, pasture rotation. Eventually, we're building chicken tractors so they can graze with the sheep, let the chickens break up manure, eat ticks, and fertilize as they go. That's the big vision. It's starting to come together. Slowly, but that's the beauty of homesteading. It grows with you. If you're raising chickens or dreaming about it, I hope these tips help. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you wish you knew before getting chickens?